Welcome to the Great Garden channel. To keep your plants healthy, lush, and blooming beautifully, you need a care method that is suitable, safe, and sustainable over the long term. Today I will show you how to make a natural fertilizer using simple, easy-to-find ingredients that you most likely already have at home. After a short period of application, you will clearly notice positive changes. Roots. More new roots develop, with green, plump, healthy tips that attach to the growing medium more effectively. Orchid leaves, they become darker green, thicker, and shinier. The leaves are firm and healthy, with wrinkling and dullness significantly reduced. Flower spikes and buds, they grow vigorously, with evenly sized buds and strong, upright spikes. Clear signs that the plant is thriving and ready for a beautiful blooming season. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any useful orchid care tips from us. Let's get started. To make this organic fertilizer, I use coffee grounds. Coffee contains a high amount of nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and essential micronutrients. In addition, it has antibacterial properties and helps reduce mold, creating a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms to thrive. I add 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds to a clean glass cup. Then, add 500 milliliters of boiling water to extract the nutrients from the coffee. Next, stir well so the coffee mixture is evenly dissolved in the water. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Finally, I let the solution steep for about 1 hour so that the nutrients are fully released. At the same time, I use instant dry yeast as the next ingredient. Instant dry yeast contains many beneficial microorganisms, natural enzymes, B vitamins, and bioactive compounds that help stimulate the breakdown of organic matter and improve the growing medium environment. First, pour 500 milliliters of hot water into a clean glass cup. Next, add 1 tablespoon of instant dry yeast to the prepared cup of water. Then, stir well until the yeast is completely dissolved, activating microbial activity and forming a uniform solution that is ready for the next steps. Finally, let the solution sit for 1 hour. While waiting, I rinse the plant with clean water. This step plays an important role in activating and waking up the root system before adding nutrients. Clean water helps evenly moisten the entire growing medium, flush out accumulated salt residues and dust, and create a well-aerated environment so the roots can breathe and absorb nutrients more effectively. At the same time, the young root tips are stimulated to become active, allowing the roots to expand more flexibly and increasing their ability to absorb water and transport nutrients. As a result, when the organic solution is applied in the next step, the plant absorbs it quickly and evenly, minimizing the risk of fertilizer shock or root burn. After 1 hour, I strain out all the coffee grounds, keeping only the liquid extract. This liquid is the plant-nourishing solution we need. Method 1. First, pour the coffee extract into a small, clean cup. Then, use a soft cloth or a cotton pad to gently soak it and carefully wipe both sides of each orchid leaf. The coffee ground solution not only helps remove dust, mineral residues, and long-standing buildup from the leaf surface, but also supplies nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and essential micronutrients. These nutrients support metabolic processes and help orchid leaves become darker green, thicker, healthier, and naturally glossy. In addition, natural compounds in coffee help inhibit bacteria and mold on the leaves, allowing the plant to grow more steadily and remain healthy. When wiping, be sure to clean both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the nutrients can be absorbed evenly into the leaf tissue. Apply this method 1 to 2 times per week to keep the leaves clean and healthy, enhance photosynthesis, and avoid waterlogging or damage to the plant. Once the instant dry yeast has dissolved in the water, I pour this solution together with the coffee liquid. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. That's it. The organic solution is now ready to use. Now let's apply it to the plants in the garden to help them grow healthier and thrive. Method 2. Pour the coffee and instant dry yeast solution into a watering can. Then gently water around the base of the orchid, so the solution soaks into the growing medium and comes into direct contact with the roots. Coffee provides nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and micronutrients, helping the roots grow strong, stimulating growth, and enhancing the plant's vitality. Dry yeast adds beneficial microorganisms and enzymes that support the breakdown of organic matter and improve nutrient absorption. During the recovery phase or periods of strong growth, apply once a week. When the plant becomes stable, reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain nutrition and support sustainable growth. Method 3. Pour the coffee and instant dry yeast solution into a spray bottle, then gently mist the entire plant, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. Coffee supplies nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and essential micronutrients, while dry yeast provides beneficial microorganisms, enzymes, and B vitamins. Together, they help the plant absorb nutrients evenly, enhance metabolic activity, and create an unfavorable environment for bacteria and mold to develop. Spray once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month once the plant has become stable. After spraying, allow the plant to rest for about 15 minutes so the leaves and roots can absorb the nutrients optimally. If any water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it away with a soft cloth or cotton to prevent prolonged moisture, which can easily lead to fungal diseases. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant is better protected, the risk of leaf rot and crown rot is reduced, and thick glossy leaves and overall healthy growth are maintained. Results after 2 months of application. Many new roots continuously emerge, with green, plump, glossy, and strong root tips. Clear signs that the plant is absorbing nutrients efficiently and recovering vigorously. Orchid leaves become darker green, thicker, and shinier. When touched, they feel firm and elastic, indicating that the plant is in a strong growth phase. New shoots from the base develop evenly and full of vitality, creating a solid foundation for continued growth. In some pots, new flower spikes have even started to appear, growing taller and more visible, signaling that the plants have stabilized and are ready to enter a vibrant blooming season. Several orchids are already producing flower spikes, rising steadily in preparation for a spectacular display. This method not only helps orchids grow steadily and stay healthy, but also brings a fresh, lively look to the entire garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any simple yet effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next videos on Great Garden.